everyone, it's Quinn, aka SawMaw, and I'm here in my she shop getting ready to work on a project. So the other day I was able to take some wood from a pallet, and I don't like working with pallet wood, but I just happen to have a pallet from some boxes I ordered from Lowe's. And I wanted to create something that was inexpensive, just to be a drill bit station. So I have drill bits that have come in cases like this, and I really don't have anywhere to hang them from, and I don't want to keep them on my workbench. Instead, I want to give them a home near my drills where I can stack them into some type of bin. And so I've cut out these pieces here for the tops and sides of a frame that's going to be the bin that it sits in. I gotta go back and cut the back part once I get everything lined up. Now, I need to nail those pieces of wood together, so I'm going to use my crown nailer. And this is one of the first tools I got because I'm always nailing and screwing things together. So the crown nailer made sense. I'm not the best person with a hammer and a nail, and this is very fast and more accurate than I can be. So this is an 18 gauge crown nailer from Ryobi. I really love it. I cannot do without one. When this one goes out, I will have to get another one. So I've had this one for about 4 years, and overall it's been a great tool. I have used it extensively for many projects, indoors and out. So let me show you how it works. You have your nails. So there's a little button here. You press in, slide open, and you insert your nails into your slot here. You just make sure they're lined up flat and push them to the top, and then close this up. Now, after about 2 years, I'm going to give you the scoop. After about 2 years, some of my nails would not fire, so I call it a misfire. So when I would work on projects, I would be going to town, just shooting away, pow, 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 and I would see little holes in my wood, but my nails did not shoot out. And that's something I've experienced more and more over time. That's why I think this is going to give out on me in a while. But like I said, I've used it heavily over the past 4 years, and it's just been a great tool. So I do have to make sure that when I'm using it, my nails do shoot through and that my wood is actually joined together. So I already have some nails that I had in here from a previous project. I just need to put a battery in here. For me, I like lightweight batteries, so I'm going to use a smaller one. But these Ryobi batteries come in different versions depending on how strong you need it and how long you need it to last. So I do have thicker ones like this, but to me it makes the tool heavier. And this is really why I went with the Ryobi line in the first place, because my wrists, they don't want to hold these heavy tools. So they're lightweight and easier for me to use. So I got my battery set. When I'm ready to nail my wood, all I'm going to do is press this up against the wood. It's going to light up, and then it's going to allow me to press the trigger and shoot the nail through. So let's see how it works. I'm going to position the camera more to my little workstation here. Top, bottom, and my side. So I think I want this to show on the outside. I've run these through my planer already. This is about even, so that's fine. You can position it however you want to. Sometimes I use a triangle like this just to get started, or sometimes I take the other piece of wood that's the same height and just put it in position and then just nail it in. So let's do it that way since I got it set up. I need to stand up so I can see on top. Line it up, press it in, shoot it. Okay, I know that's not the nail because number one, I can feel it and it's joined together. I'm going to just, for the sake of time, put one on each side so it can be in place. And then I'll go back and put the other nails inside. So I'm trying to make sure it's flush where there's completely even, no extra space between the two pieces of wood. Push down, I see the light. And if you're new to it, make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. when you're shooting nails, you can have issues where if you don't have the nail gun straight, the nail may go in crooked. It may come out on the outside or the inside one way. Also, the nails can curve, so you have to be careful. Let me go ahead and nail the other side. Couple in. I'm making sure it's flush. Okay. So that is so quick and easy. If I were to use a hammer and a nail, those nails would be everywhere. So I love this nail gun. I'm going to get the other piece together. I'm just going to check my little bin of bits and see if it's going to fit first. Put this on this side. And I also want to note, if I were doing this for something more strenuous, I would definitely use wood glue first. But I'm just using some scrap wood that just came out of a pallet just to house those bins. All right, so I've nailed that one side in. I'm going to go ahead and nail this other side. So let's shift on around. I made a little rolling stand for my camera, and that's why you have a little shakiness. It's rolling on wheels. Spin it around because I'm just more comfortable at this moment from that position. Now, this is not prime wood, so I'm going to hold it together. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any questions about the Ryobi 18 gauge crown nailer, feel free to drop the question in comments below, and I'll see what I can do to address them. Thanks, and I hope to see you in another video.